this installation video, we will be simulating a typical installation. The basic tools that you'll be needing are blocks of wood, tape measure, painter's tape, electric screwdriver, screws, caulking gun, electric or hand saw, wood filler, chalk line, stud finder, and drywall anchors may be necessary. Okay, we're ready to start the installation. The first thing you need to do is to lay out on the ceiling where you want the beams to be installed. You can easily do this by marking the ceiling with chalk string or using blue painter's tape to outline where the beams will be installed. Unpackage your superior faux beams and measure the dimensions of the interior opening of the faux beams. Using this measurement, you will cut blocks of wood that will then be used to mount the beams on the ceiling. We call these installation blocks. For an easier installation, we will now drill holes into the blocks for the screws. Because the beams are so light, you can mount the installation blocks into studs with the screws, or you can mount the installation blocks into the ceiling with anchor bolts. You will typically want to install the blocks on the ceiling every 4 to 5 feet. We suggest that you mark the location of the installation blocks with painter's tape, so that you can find the blocks once the beams have been placed over the blocks. If you need to cut the beam to the necessary length, a hand saw or electric saw will work fine. Once you have cut the beam to the necessary length, lightly sand the edge of the beam to ensure a snug fit. Apply adhesive to the edge of the faux beam. This will ensure a secure installation. Slide the beam over the installation blocks and send a screw through the side of the beam, securing it to the mounting block. You will want to countersink the screw. Use wood filler to cover up the screws. By following these simple steps, you will be able to change your plain room into a room with character and warmth. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service department